A lot size is the given quantity that you produce of one part number. So for example, part number A, I can produce 1,000 of that one part number. 1,000 is my lot number. If you think of automotive, you'll have a high volume of one part number, as opposed to a production lot size of one. You have smaller quantities of each part number. Technologies that allow you to streamline the overhead of setting up and analyzing parts help you achieve production lot size of one. So things like metrology, things like simulating your production processes, streamlining and automating those processes to analyze one part number at a time as opposed to thousands of parts allows you to achieve production lot size of one. As we get to the increasing influence of customers in the design phase, there is an increasing demand for lower volume quantity that the customer is striving for. And I think that'll continue to grow in the future.